everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Itzy and today I have a very exciting ZARA haul. I guess you can call it a little bit of a fall / closet staples haul. I'm going to be sharing a lot of ways that you can style the pieces, and some affordable pieces and some a little bit on the pricier side, but definitely worth the splurge. So let's jump right in. So the first piece that I want to share with you is this cute little beige basic top. Everybody needs a tank like this in their closet. It could be worn so many ways. I love the ribbed material. It actually feels like really good quality. I think they have a few other colors like black, blue, white, but this beige is going to be perfect for layering. I picked up a size medium. I love how it fits. It fits perfect. If you want it a little bit more fitted, you could definitely size down to a size small, but I just like that little loose vibe. Most of my pieces from ZARA are going to be mediums. I think they run pretty true to size. Here I styled it with my favorite denim. These are also from ZARA and I am obsessed with them. They're kind of like a boot cut. They're a little long, so they definitely make your legs look very slim and just elongated. So I love pairing it with the basic tank. I feel like that is just the most perfect casual outfit that you can dress up or down depending on what you layer over it. I loved to layer it with this blue button up. I am literally so obsessed with it. It's so perfect, so oversized, and the color is just a dream. I feel like every fall season I end up investing in a button up, but this blue was so good that I couldn't pass up on it. It's nice and oversized, boxy. It definitely feels like you're wearing your boyfriend's shirt. This one is actually a size large. I really wanted that oversized feel. I could even wear it maybe as a dress with some denim shorts and dress it up, down, tie it, tuck it in, all that good stuff. It looks very like edgy but a little classy. I don't know, there's just something about this look that I love. Like the tank top is very casual, but then you just instantly elevate the look with a button up. So I love this. And then just the oversized fit of the shirt and the oversized fit of the jeans just gives you this like really cool girl vibes. Every time I shop for ZARA, I feel like I'm shopping for work because I want pieces that I can also wear to work but also transform to date night or girls night out, you know. So definitely love this whole look. The next piece I have is this brown beigey top. It's a long sleeve with a square neck. I love the fit. I got a size medium and I feel like it fits really well. The length is perfect. It's kind of cropped, but it fits like right at the top of my jeans. I paired them again with the same jeans that I did with the last look, and I just really like the way it fits. This one is also a size medium and it's so comfortable, and the color is stunning. I needed it every color, and I really love the square neckline because I feel like it just kind of accentuates the whole look. It's nice and thick, so I think it'll make the perfect fall top that I will probably wear into winter, layered with coats and jackets. Paired with jeans, it makes like a really casual look, but you can also pair it with some cute little slacks or trousers just for like that more elevated work look. Next up, I have this cute little knitted top. It's also ribbed, but it has like this tie detail, so it just looks really cute dressed up or dressed down. I paired it here with jeans, but I think it also looks cute with a pair of pants that I bought from ZARA that I'll style shortly. I really like just the material, and the quality feels great. I love that you can tie it so it like cinches at the waist. It's just such a good color. The color is stunning. It'll be really cute paired with a leather jacket like I have styled here, or you can even dress it down with these pants just for that little monochrome look. I love a monochrome look, especially in the fall. I feel like it looks so good, and especially with the cream color. These pants are super lightweight, so they're not too warm, especially for California weather. They're quite long on me, so I will probably get them altered, but I feel like they're just really fun and flirty and lightweight and airy. The top looks really cute paired with this because it kind of cinches at the waist. It almost looks like a jumpsuit. Perfect for like an occasion wear or just a night out. We have the leather jacket, which is amazing. I love all the details, the buckles. It just looks so edgy and instantly makes an outfit look pretty badass. I got a size large and I feel like it fits perfectly. If you wanted a little bit more fitted, I would probably go with a medium, but I love it oversized. It's a little bit pricier, but totally worth the splurge. My other ZARA jacket has lasted me for years. I've worn it out for like literally maybe 5 years that it was time I invested in a new one, but this one is just so cute and it fits amazing. So I definitely recommend investing in a leather jacket for fall. This next piece I'm so obsessed with. I just love ribbed tanks, anything, but this is a ribbed tank dress and the color is obviously gorgeous, and I just love because you can wear this up with heels, your jacket, a blazer, but you can also dress it down and make it very edgy with like Doc Martens or Converse or just like little small sandals, and the material just feels amazing and it's super flattering. You can tell here this is what the color and the material looks like. I really am obsessed and I need them in like every color like now. One of the ways to wear that ribbed dress can be very dressed up. So here I've paired it with these snakeskin heeled sandals and a bunch of accessories just for that ultimate like chic, fancy, more elevated look. It can also be worn down, very dressed down, casual with dad shoes. Here I paired it with the Oswego ADIDAS shoes, and I feel like it just gives those like back to school vibes. Then I just threw on a jean jacket just for that ultimate fall look, and I just love the combination of the colors here, and the beige just looks amazing. The next piece is another favorite. This piece is just so incredibly flattering. Like the way it's shaped, you can tell that it kind of just like hugs every single curve, and if I was at work, I would probably be wearing this dress all the time with a blazer, with a different jacket, different shoes, different accessories. So this is definitely a staple for fall. It's ribbed and the quality feels really great. It's a little thick, but you can't really tell when you're wearing it. It's very like slimming, and I just really love it. This one and the other ribbed dress were $18, so definitely very affordable. And we love a midi dress. We love a midi dress with heels. We love a midi dress with boots. Just basically anything. Midi dresses are it. Here I've paired it with a leather jacket, just again to make it super edgy. You can also dress it down by pairing it with like a button down. So here you can see I've paired it with my blue button down, and it just looks really great. So basically you can't go wrong with styling this dress. This next dress I was a little bit hesitant about. I wasn't sure how I was going to style it, but I love the details. So it has like these puff sleeves, which are incredible. It also has like a bust detail. It just looks very cool, very retro, and I really loved it. And it also feels amazing and it stretches. I just was feeling it, and I thought I would pair it with these knee-high boots. I just thought they looked really cute paired with this dress. The dress is sort of like a beigey yellow color, so it really like contrasts the boots very nicely. So you can wear them with boots, but you can also pair it with some sandals. These are from ZARA, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I love the size of the heel, meaning I can wear them daily. I got them in a size 8, so very true to size. I've already worn them so much, but the color is so good, and it's again a very monochromatic look. I love me a piece with rouge detailing, so I got this ribbed black dress that you can basically make midi into mini, and I love wearing it so many different ways. First I paired it here and made it super edgy with Gucci glasses and my Prada bag and Doc Martens, so it's definitely a very cool girl look. Then I made it a little bit still edgy, but a little bit more casual with Converse and a blazer, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this look. I feel like it is my favorite look of all of them. I could see myself wearing this all the time with the slick back bun. Next I have a pretty dressy look. I wasn't sure where I was going to wear this dress, but I knew I needed it because of the rouge detailing and the slit. Your girl loves a slit moment, and it just fits very flattering. I feel like it's the perfect little black dress. It's midi. You can wear it with sandals, wear it with a nice little pouch bag. I love the square neckline and the spaghetti strap. It's just definitely a staple in the closet. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, let's be honest, but I know that I'll look damn good when I do. So really excited about this piece. And this next piece I was also very hesitant about because obviously comfort is key right now, especially in the fall. I just want to be cozy, I want to feel good, I want to look good. But I thought that this dress was like very pajama vibes, and I was like, I could get down with that. It reminds me of like very bohemian, free people vibes, and I don't know, something attracted me to it. And the way I paired it here, obviously it's not very flattering without a belt, but once you belt it, it transforms and looks so nice. I also love that you don't have to button every single button, so you can leave it open at the bottom for that little slit. Okay, so this last piece is so cute. It is a very, very long cardigan dress, and this green color is amazing. I've been having a green moment all year long, and I feel like it's just gonna continue into the fall. I love how it's knitted, and it's like kind of heavy, so it'll keep you warm, but lightweight enough that you can also layer. Here I layered it open with like a very basic casual outfit. So here I have my ribbed top and my jeans, and I just love how it's like super effortless and casual, yet the cardigan just kind of elevates the look and kind of elongates my whole body. And then with the wide leg pants, it just looks very fun and flirty. I've also paired it closed with the belt, which I think looks really cute. I am excited to experiment and try to wear it different ways. So that pretty much does it for my Zara fall closet staple haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any favorites in the comments below. I have linked everything in the description box, and if it's sold out, I try to find something similar. But of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!